All right, y'all, real quick. So I have to change the fuel pump in my Thermo King APU. It's the older model, okay? So I don't have much time to make this video. So basically what you gotta do is take the cover plate off, take the side plate off, and take the bottom plate off, all the screws right there. Here's the fuel pump. Here's the old one. I got it out already. And it basically sits, pardon me, y'all, doing too many things at one time. Anyways, the fuel pump sits right there along this brace right here. Okay? It has two screws. See right here, these two screws is what hold it in, and these are the nuts right here that I took off. So basically, the fuel pump sits it sits like right here, like this. All right. So it sits right there like that, and once you get it out, it has this little plug. To it right here. So you unplug this. All right. Now I want to say, I called Thermo King to get this fuel pump, right? It was $200 at Thermo King. Found the same exact fuel pump at Napa Auto Parts. $80. So if you need a fuel pump, don't spend all your money going to Thermo King, man. The price gouging in this industry is out of control. All right? So it's the same fuel pump. There's the Thermo King. This is the one I got from Napa Auto Parts. Save yourself $120 and go to Napa Auto Parts and get your fuel pump. All right? So basically what I'm going to have to do, being that this one has this plug, all I got to do is splice these wires right here into that plug. That's all I got to do. And that's it. So Thermo King APU fuel pump, go to Napa Auto Parts and get it. I'm out. Peace.